Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Prima Donna exclusive espresso machine. Now this machine was brought back to us because the water, the machine was not detecting the water, and it would always say that error fill water tank, even though the water tank was completely full, like you see right here. So what basically was causing the error was this read sensor, the one located right here. This is the read sensor, and it's located on this part of the machine, the one that you see right here. So we just had to replace that part, and yeah, now the machine is working perfectly fine. As you can see, it's detecting when the water is not doing, when the water tank is inserted, and it's detecting the water level as well. And just to do a small test, we're gonna do a shot of espresso as well, a short coffee. Confusion right there. As you can see, the grinds is set up all the way to the finest level, and the machine is actually struggling to extract coffee. Probably because this is a medium roast, and this might be two different kinds of beans in here. So I'm just gonna set up all the way to number 3, and then we're gonna redo it again. That usually happens when you put pre-ground coffee as well. If you pre-ground coffee is very fine, the machine will struggle to extract it. As you can see, we now have a really good water flow coming out of the machine, and that was basically because the grind was set up to a really fine setting for the kind of coffee that is inside. Okay, and now we're just gonna perfect. We're just gonna empty the water tank to make sure that the water tank that the machine detects when the water is low on the tank. That's pretty good in there. Yeah, for the water tank, as expected. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Prima Donna exclusive working once again. So thank you for attending Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.